here again today. New lake, different style. We got speckled trout, we got splake, and we got lake trout in this lake. Hopefully gonna bring on some better luck. We have an average depth of, what was it, 20 feet? Going as deep as 60, I believe. Anyways, take a look at that. Pretty nice lake. Stay tuned and hopefully we can show you guys some nice trout.
Out here. It'll be the first fish of the day.
Oh, ho, ho.
Buddy.
What do we got? Looks like we got us a nice little splake. Look at that. Or should we set him back?
On Good Friday.
What do you think?
We're keeping
Good
that.
Friday?
Yeah.
Dinner right there?
Dinner.
Buddy. Look how nice that is. What is that, Tony?
Hopefully more dinner to come. Jables outdoors.
I don't know what it is. Ooh, it's heavy though. It's got some weight to it.
Just ran a bunch of line out. See what this head looks
buddy.
like.
I got a big laker on.
Big laker.
Justin! Justin! Look at that.
Beautiful
fish.
Beautiful fish. Sun shining for that one. Nice fish.
Look at the red fins on it. Jables outdoors. Look at that. Gorgeous lake trout. Nice. Catch and release, Jables outdoors.